Dark time in much of the Bahamas. Destruction is all around. There's no electricity, no running water, and most buildings have been just destroyed. Our meteorologist Tony Sadiku is headed there today with volunteers from Samaritan's Purse to bring healing in a time of desperate need.
More than a week after Dorian ripped through the Bahamas, we continue to learn the death toll is climbing and many more are either missing or homeless. Today, North Carolina-based Samaritan's Purse, it continues to be part of the recovery mission. They're loading up this DCA plane and flying to Freeport today with supplies such as tarps, water filtration systems, and generators. Critical supplies that are so desperately needed in the Bahamas. They've also established a 40-bed mobile hospital in Freeport with doctors and nurses that can see up to 100 patients a day. Last week, they've sent more than 30 tons of emergency relief supplies to the hardest hit areas as well. Of course, Dorian, a Category 5 storm at landfall, completely ripped through the Bahamas and caused incomprehensible damage. Samaritan's Purse says they're responding in Jesus' name.
Samaritan's Purse airlifted the first round of the emergency field hospital on September 5th, and our team has been working around the clock through the night to build that ever since then. Yesterday was our first day of operation. We have the capacity to accept up to 100 patients per day. That hospital has an emergency room, an operating room, and then a 40-bed inpatient capacity.
Today, Channel 9 will be part of the recovery. Channel 9 photographer Brian Stahl and I will be joining Samaritan's Purse on their mission into Freeport today. We're going to be assisting as much as we can. We're also going to be taking you to the hardest hit areas and telling you those stories from the ground. Be sure to stay tuned on air and online as we bring you coverage from the Bahamas beginning today at 5.